Oh my God. Say hello. This what we gotta wake up. Well, this what I gotta wake up into. YouTube. Y'all see this? Who want this cold winter shit? It looks nice though. I know the people in the South, y'all don't get to see this. Look at the car. Well, the truck. Of course, y'all know what's in that garage. I told y'all she go up for the winter. Anytime it snow, take out here and there. But when it's snowing, she don't come out. So we gotta walk in. Look at this. Ah, man. See, I get to see me in this crap early in the morning. Because you know why? I gotta go to goddamn work. And I shouldn't. But it is what it is. This is what we gotta deal with. Come on, let me show y'all. Show y'all how empty these streets is. I'm about to go to work. Look at it. Oh my God. Look at it. It looks so nice. Y'all let me know. Should I come out and start doing this? Well, I gotta come out anyway. Shovel. Because I ain't bringing the snowblower out right now. Here we go. The infamous woods. My infamous woods. I don't know what I'm about to do with all them damn bricks. Anybody know? Probably take them and build something with it. Oh, what's that? I don't got no weapon on me either out here. All right. Y'all get to see a nice winter mix for all y'all who on the west, the south, who don't see this. Yeah, here y'all go. Y'all welcome. Now it's time for me to take my ass back in this house. It's cold. I come out and do some goddamn shoveling. I told you I wasn't getting rid of that well, not getting rid of it, but taking that trampoline down. Kids about to have a trampoline in the winter. Actually, we had it like when I was younger, man, we used to have big snow piles and jump out windows onto them. So, but yeah, man, y'all can see a little bit more snow. Hope y'all enjoy it. Quick little video. Now I gotta get to work. We out.